Are you ready to take your art to the next level? With the power of generative AI, you can create stunning works of art with ease. Imagine, with one simple click, you can transform a blank canvas into a masterpiece. With generative AI in Photoshop, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're an artist looking to push the boundaries of your creativity or a designer looking to add something unique to your work, generative AI in Photoshop is the answer. Through machine learning, Photoshop can analyze your images and generate unique patterns, shapes, and colors that you can incorporate into your work. This means you can create stunning works of art in a fraction of the time it would normally take. As you experiment with generative AI in Photoshop, you'll discover new ways to create art that you never thought possible. And the best part is, it's all within reach. So, what are you waiting for? Try generative AI in Photoshop today and experience the power of technology in your art. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and insights into the world of art and technology.